How to access Safari history on iOS 26. First, let's return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Then tap on the More button at the bottom. From the pop-up menu, tap on Bookmarks. Then here, you want to tap on the history icon or the tab at the top bar here. Then here, to delete a history, you can swipe across and tap on the delete button. So here, tap on the delete button. Scrolling down will give you the history from other days as well. If you want to delete or clear all the history, you can tap on the More button at the top and then tap on Clear. This will allow you to clear all your Safari history. If you are having problem accessing Safari history or deleting the history, then it could be a screen time restriction. So what you want to do is exit your Safari and go into settings. Now in settings, go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on screen time. Next, we go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. In here, make sure it is on, and then we go down and tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then we go down and tap on Web Content, and then tap on Unrestricted. And enter in your screen time passcode. And that's it. After that, you should be able to access your Safari history. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.